In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit images with Google Gemini. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along the first time you try it. First, open the Gemini app on your device. You should land on the main screen where you can start a new conversation or compose a message. If your layout looks a little different depending on your device or updates, don't worry. The process is the same. The goal is to get to the area where you can interact with Gemini, just like you would when asking a question or giving a command. Next, it's time to upload your image. Look for the plus icon on the screen. This is your entry point for adding content. Tap it, then choose Gallery. This tells Gemini you want to pick an existing photo from your device. You'll see your albums and recent photos. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored and select the one you want to edit. If you're prompted to allow access to your photos, that's normal. The app needs permission to read images from your device so it can work with them. For best results, choose a clear image with good lighting and a subject that stands out from the background. Once your image is loaded into the chat, place your cursor in the prompt box and type what you want Gemini to do. In this example, we'll write, "Change the background." You can keep it that straightforward or add a bit more detail to guide the result, like change the background to a solid white or change the background to a soft gradient. Being specific helps Gemini understand your vision and produce a cleaner result. Keep your instructions in plain language. Think of it as explaining your edit request to a helpful assistant. After you've entered your prompt, send it and then wait while Gemini generates the result. You'll usually see a brief processing indicator. The time it takes can vary based on your connection and the complexity of your request, so give it a moment. Keeping the app open and your internet stable helps speed things along. Gemini will analyze your image and apply the change you described, then display the edited version right in the conversation thread. And that's it. You opened the Gemini app, uploaded an image by tapping the plus icon and selecting Gallery, located your photo, entered your prompt to change the background, and waited for Gemini to generate the result. With these basics, you can quickly transform images using clear, natural instructions.